Ever felt that sinking feeling when your phone dies right as you're about to log that business expense? Or maybe you just crave the comfort of a bigger screen and a real keyboard for entering all those receipts. Fear not, expense warriors. Today's question cuts straight to the chase. Can you actually use Expensify on your computer? Now, some of you might be thinking, isn't Expensify an app? An app for your phone, specifically? That's a fair assumption. Expensify's mobile app is fantastic for capturing those on-the-go receipts, snapping a pic before they vanish into the abyss of your wallet. But what if you need more than just a quick snap? What if you're dealing with a pile of receipts or complex expense reports? Well, fret no more, because the answer is a resounding yes. You can absolutely use Expensify on your computer. In fact, there are a couple of ways to go about it, and depending on your needs, one might be a better fit than the other. Method 1. Unleash the power of the web app. Let's start with the most straightforward option, the Expensify web app. This is your classic access from any browser situation, meaning you can use pretty much any computer, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. It's perfect for those times you find yourself at a friend's place or a borrowed laptop, needing to tackle your expenses, but without the app downloaded. Here's the beauty of the web app. It offers all the core functionalities you know and love from the mobile app. Adding new expenses? Check. Uploading receipts with a simple drag and drop? Absolutely. Categorizing, adding notes, submitting reports, it's all there. Plus, you get the benefit of a larger screen, which can be a real game changer for those expense reports with lots of details. To access the Expensify web app, just head over to Expensify.com and log into your account. It's that simple. Now, the web app might not have all the fancy features of the mobile app, like the ability to snap a picture of your receipt with your phone's camera. But for core expense management, it's a fantastic option for your computer. Method 2. Go desktop with web catalog, sort of. This option might be a bit less familiar, but hear me out. If you're someone who prefers a dedicated app experience on your computer, there's a bit of a workaround you can try. It involves a third-party app called Web Catalog. Now, Web Catalog isn't officially affiliated with Expensify, but it acts as a container for web apps, allowing them to run in a standalone window on your desktop, kind of like a regular program. So, here's the deal. You download and install Web Catalog, and then within Web Catalog, you can add the Expensify web app. This essentially creates a desktop shortcut for the Expensify web app. It might not be a true native desktop app from Expensify itself, but it gives you that dedicated app feel, a familiar window on your desktop that you can launch independently. So, which method should you choose? Ultimately, the best method depends on your individual needs. If you just need basic expense management functionality on any computer with an internet connection, the Expensify web app is the way to go. It's simple, accessible, and offers all the core features. However, if you prefer a dedicated app experience on your desktop and don't mind the slight detour through Web Catalog, then that method might be a good fit. It gives you a familiar desktop window for managing your expenses. The final takeaway, flexibility is your friend. The key takeaway here is that Expensify isn't just a mobile app. Having the option to use it on your computer, whether through the web app or with a little help from Web Catalog, adds a layer of flexibility to your expense management routine. No matter where you are or what device you have access to, you can keep your receipts organized and your reports on track. So, ditch the fear of a dead phone derailing your expense tracking. With Expensify, you've got options. Now get out there and conquer those receipts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.